For the 10th tip of Christmas, I'm going to share with you 10 ways to get a 5-star review. It's the 10th tip of Christmas. We're talking about the 10 ways to get 5-star reviews. But if you haven't already checked it out, my free masterclass here just for Christmas is going to teach you how to get a Airbnb without even owning the property in the next 30 days. Make sure to go check it out. It's right down below in the description. So let's first of all talk about number one, which is to me the most important way to get a 5-star review, is to make sure that you have top-notch cleaners so that you can have perfect, pristine, clean properties. Number two is communication. This is the easiest thing that you can do, which is communicate with your guests. How's your stay going? What can we do to help you out? Number three, how about a little personal touch with a personal note? We have taught all of our cleaners that if they get 5-star reviews, they get bonuses, which means that they should start leaving personal notes for the guests with the guest's name. Number four is snacks. What better way to come in from a long trip than to see a snack right there in the kitchen to fill your belly. Number five is small touches. Now, you might be wondering, well, what's an example of a small touch? Well, how about the presentation of the towels? We have cleaners that will actually turn theirs into what looks like flowers and birds. It's crazy. Teach your cleaners how to do that. You can find those on YouTube. And then also, how about having the AC or the heat on when they arrive? That's an easy way for them to walk into a comfortable location and see that you put in a small touch. Number six, ask for it. How simple is that? Hey, I'm gonna give you a 5-star review. Will you give me one as well? Number seven, fix the issues fast. Listen, no stay is gonna be perfect. The important thing is how you deal with those issues. Fix them fast. It'll show the guests that you really care. Number eight, listen. How about this? Instead of next time a guest tells you that there's an issue and you try to make excuses, why don't you just take a second, listen, and then tell them, okay, I'm so sorry this is happening. Let's see what we can do to fix it. So listening, by the way, goes a long way. Number nine is a gift card for longer stays. Anytime someone stays for more than 14 days with us, we like to give them a DoorDash gift card because we know they're gonna be there for a while and they would appreciate that. It leaves a great impression to start off the stay. And then number 10, the last one, offer a discount for a return visit. What easier way to get a 5-star review and a return customer if you give them a discount on their next stay? This has been the 10th tip of Christmas. We've got just 2 days left, but if you missed the first 9, here they are again. 9 common objections, 8 hot holidays, 7 furniture and decor essentials, 6 places to shop, 5K to get a VA, 4 ways to get a listing, 3-day minimums, 2 sets of towels, and a free master class.